Every year I pull out this costume and I absolutely love it. And every year the mask ruins it. It's too tight. I can't breathe. It's a total vibe killer. So this time I said, forget it. I'm gonna make my own. This is a full sublimation Halloween mask that's cute, it's breathable, and it's actually wearable even when it's not Halloween. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I put it together on Canva. You can see me here just using the different elements to put it together. If you want a full tutorial on how to use Canva, I actually share this inside my Skool community. So go ahead and go to the link in there just to go ahead and learn how to use Canva if you need help with that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I easily printed it, pressed it, and how you can do it too. All right, so let's get into it.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with the hood. All right, so I got this one on Amazon because I've had this costume for quite some time and I've never found a mask hood that I've been in love with or was just good to wear. I haven't liked them. So I got this hood off of Amazon and it's just one of those, it's just the hood. It does have like a face cover thing and does it have a tag? It doesn't have a tag, but I looked it up inside and it is polyester. So because it is polyester, that means that you can sublimate on it. I hope you can hear me because it's pretty loud in here. Oh, so I'm going to sublimate the inside first because I want this to be to have the print on the inside of the hood. So let me show you what I have this still. All right. So what I just did is I turned it inside out. It's kind of hard to tell, I know, because it's white, but I turned it inside out so that I can sublimate the inside of it. So the beauty of it is that it is sublimation, and because it has this, bring you closer, it has this seam right down the middle. It lets it lay down completely flat. So I don't have to worry about any ridges. All right, so here is my print. Grab my scissors. I'm not worried about any crease lines. I couldn't think of the word. So that's why I'm cutting it this way. Normally I would tear the edges if I'm worried about crease lines. So I'm gonna put this one. Okay, and then I'm just gonna line it up. The inside is not going to be seen other than what's inside of the hood. So I'm also not too worried about it being absolutely perfect, but as close as possible. All right, I'm gonna put butcher paper down. Where butcher paper though? There's some, but that's not the one I was looking for. All right, I'm putting butcher paper down because I did print the image larger than what I needed because I wanted to have a specific look. All right. I have my heat press set to 370 for 45 seconds. All right, so I'm just gonna line it up the way I want. Remember, for sublimation, you can sublimate anything that is 100% polyester. Actually, anything that contains polyester is just the more polyester that it has, the brighter the image is going to be. Okay, and tape it down. And I'm taping it down to my platform here, or my paper, because like I said, I printed it bigger than what I wanted it. All right, butcher paper on top, doesn't matter. I just want to protect my heat crest. All right, I'm gonna press it 370. Oh, it's not even up to temperature. 370 for 45 seconds. I'll show you. All right, every time I sublimate, I will always test the corner before healing it all the way up, okay? That way, if for some reason it needs more time, I can just put it right back down. It's so good. That way, if it's good, then you don't need to worry about it and you can just peel it up. That's exactly what you want. Like this color release, you want this, not that. This means you're wasting ink if your paper still has a bunch of ink. If it doesn't, then you're good. One thing I was afraid of that I didn't do prior to pressing it was putting something inside to see if it didn't bleed through, but it didn't bleed through. So that was totally saved me. All right, now we're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna just try to reuse this paper on the side that doesn't have any ink, okay? All right, we're gonna do the same thing, but to the other side. Oh my God, it looks so good. It's perfect. All right, but we're not done yet, okay? We're not done yet. Oh, this is hot. I do see some ink right here and there. So you know what I'm gonna do? If you ever have ink that you need to clean up, like if you get ink on your platform, just go ahead and put paper on it Press it for a few seconds. All right, look how good it turned out. This is the inside of the hood. All right, so now for the outside, right? And it's actually pretty cool that it's a little see-through. So I want to put eyes on here. Now, I also printed it in sublimation and DTF because I wasn't sure if I was going to need it in DTF, but I think we're good to do it with sublimation. So I am a little worried on the inside. Saying, yeah, so you just press it for a little bit and then it picks up all the ink. Okay. So I was worried that if I did, or I'm sorry, sublimation, that you would be able to see through it. But now I really like it like this. Wondering, these are the eyes. When I just want to put them like right there and then one on the other side. I'm wondering if the inside would ghost on each other, you know, because these two are on the inside. So maybe I can just put paper inside. Yeah, let's see. So I'm going to take this sheet of paper this way and kind of just like make the little template. Right? All right. So I'm going to put this on the inside just so that the two sides that are sublimated don't like ghost on each other. Oh, that's perfect. So here's the paper inside and there's the other one. So it's right there on the inside. Okay. Now let's do my eyes. Make sure I don't do the wrong one. I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. Whoa. Right there. I'm just going to tape it one side at a time. I'm not going to measure that side, but I will measure the other side. All right, same thing, 370, 45 seconds. We'll put it in there. To see all of this ink that's on here now, this is my scratch paper. I don't even use this paper anymore, but all the ink that's on here would have gotten on the other side.
Finally, a Halloween mask that I can finally breathe in. If you want more tutorials and supply links, join my free Skool community where I coach you on how to turn your craft business into real sales.